Students, today we learn about factors, composite numbers, prime numbers. Factor. Factor is a number that divides another number exactly. So, numbers which are divisible by more than one numbers. Few numbers are divisible by one and itself only. Shall we write few example for factors? First, we can take 6. 6 is divisible by 1. 6 are 6. And 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. And 6 is divisible by 6 itself. 6 1s are 6. You know that every number is divisible by 1 and itself. Now we can write the factors of 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So you can take one more example. You can take 7. 7 is divisible by 1. 1 sevens are 7. And 7 is divisible by 7 ones are 7. So 7 is not divisible by other than 1 and 7. So factors of 7 are 1 7. So we can write factors of few numbers. Factors of two or 1 2, because 2 is not divisible by another number. Next, 3 or 1 3, 4 or 1 2 4, 5 or 1 5. 6 we wrote 6 and 7. Of course, we can write here also 6 or 1 2 3 6. 7 or 1 7. Next, I will take here 12 or 1 2 3 4 6 12. And again I am writing 18 or 18 is divisible by 1, 18 is divisible by 2, 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. Next, 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, and at last we will get 18. I think you have understood how to write factors. Now, depending upon the number of factors, numbers classified into classified into two categories. They are composite numbers and prime numbers. First, we can learn about composite numbers. Composite numbers. Numbers have more than two factors. Students, if a number having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Example for the composite numbers. Here, number 1, it is 1 into 1 only. 2, 1 into 2 only. 3, 1 into 3 only. 4, 4 is written as a 2 into 2. So, 4 is a composite numbers. Next, 5, 1 into 5. So, it is not a composite number. 6, 2 3s are 6. So, 6 and 8 and 9. 9 is also a composite number because it is divisible by 3. 10, 12, 14, etc. I think you have understood about composite numbers. Now we will learn about prime numbers. Prime numbers. Numbers have exactly two factors. You already know that every number is divisible by 1 and itself. So, every number at least have two factors. But few numbers having more than two factors. Just now we have learned if a number having more than two factors are called composite numbers. So, now we learn about the prime numbers. Numbers have exactly two factors. Number 1 having only one factor, that is 1 itself. 2, 1 into 2, 3, 1 into 3, 4, 2 into 2. So it is 4 having 1, 4 and 2 is also its factor. So it is not a prime number. 5, 6, 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So it is not a prime number. 7, 8, 8 is also 2 4s are 8, 9, 3 3s are 9. So after 7 we will get 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, so on. Try to write a few prime numbers other than these numbers. Students, now we learn about prime factorization. Prime factorization. Just now we have learned about prime numbers. A number that have only two factors. By taking one example, we can understood this concept. I am taking 12. 12. Don't forget, you can use in this prime factorization only prime numbers. 12 is divisible by first prime number 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3 are 6. 3 is a prime number. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. I think you have understood. Again, I am taking one more example. Now I am taking 78. 78 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 8. 2 9s are 18. Again, this 39 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. 13 is not divisible by another number. So it is a prime number. You can stop here. So 78 is equal to 2 into 3 into 13. Students, today we learn about factor, composite numbers, prime numbers. Now you can do the following worksheet and send to my number. First, worksheet. First problem. Write factors of following numbers. 1 9 2 14 3 21. Second problem. Write first 15 composite numbers. 3. Write prime numbers. Between 30 and 50. 4. Write the prime factorization one 16 2 28 3 36. Okay, children, you can solve the worksheet and send to my number. And don't forget, take care. Bye.